Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper of. Yes, it's still Thursday, May the 27th, 2021. We have two puzzles left, tectonic with 4 stars. But first, we will solve this baby, a binary puzzle. And what kind of binary puzzle? Yes, let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle, and this will be a number. This will be number 285. 5, I believe. Yes, 5. All right. An 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Alright. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Alright. Now we have 4 O's in the second row, so the rest are 1s. Alright. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 1s comes an O. And then between 2 1s comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Okay. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Here we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 1s comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 4 O's in the second column, so the rest are 1s. Here we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Then I think we need to compare. Yeah. We need to compare. 1. Do we have a 1001? No. 10. Yeah. This one, this column, and that column. 001, 1 empty box. 001, 1 empty box. 1 1. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have an O there, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Finished in 4 minutes. Alright. Great binary. I like this one. Yes. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later in a minute with the last puzzle of today in this additional. It will be a tectonic one with 4 stars. See you then. Bye bye for now.